everybody, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I want to show you the 2020 Bennington 24 SLX Pontoon powered by a Yamaha 115. This is going to be a value price boat for you guys. We're really excited about our price point. If you want to find out more about the pricing on this boat and the 21 SLX smaller version of it, please give us a call at the dealership at 864-236-9005. This boat is fully loaded as well. It's got the ocean blue panel color with the tinted silver seagrass flooring and the docking lights. And inside, it's got the new Simtex upholstery. Come on inside and get a better look with me. You can see here it's got the new silver Simtex upholstery with the darker accent and the ocean blue accent on it. Seagrass flooring throughout. Very large seating arrangement here. Lots of room for all your friends. Nice console here with full instrumentation, Bluetooth stereo. Throttles right down there alongside the driver. Of course, it comes with a full 10-foot long bimini top and full boat cover like the one pictured next to us. This boat will also have a ski tow bar on it with the Yamaha 115, so you can pull the tubes and the skiers. Again, please call us here at MarineMax in Greenville. We've got lots of boats in stock, and we're excited to tell you about all of them.